Hey, guess what, man? I got the sweetest girl from Kula, Maui. Now she lives in Washington, D.C., and she's the communications specialist for Congresswoman Jill Tokura. Unbelievable lady! Yeah? Right? Unbelievable, but who's the fastest chef?
This man in the pan.
Man in the pan! Okay, big shot of the man in the pan! Oh! Hey, guess what, man? The greatest students here at Hawaii Community College Culinary Program, the most awesome students! But who's the fastest chef?
The man in the pan!
Big shaka the man in the pan! Come on, shaka, shaka, shaka! Welcome to the man and the pan. Today, I'm gonna do something really super exciting for you. I'm gonna show you guys how to fry gyoza. In the supermarket, we got all different kinds of gyoza. And you know, the thing tastes better if you really know how to fry it. First thing is I added in a little oil into my frying pan. Not too much oil now. The stove on medium heat, right? And I make my roux over here. I add about like maybe 1.5 teaspoons of flour with 3/4 cup of water. I'll grab my gyoza. Let's go make a little today, right? And you set it nicely in a pan. Just like this. Okay, you fry the gyoza up to a minute, right? Just fry the bottom, crisp the bottom. Then, you see the roux that you made, right? Stir it up. Pour it all inside here, right on the bottom. Okay, so I put everything in here, I cover it, and I'm gonna let it steam for about 4 minutes. Okay? So while the thing is steaming, you make your dipping sauce. This is a simple way to make your dipping sauce. Okay? Add some shoyu. Inside there, I have some green onions, right? Some garlic powder. Dump in some sesame oil. And right in here, you can put any kind of sauce. You can put Tabasco, but I doesn't put some sriracha. Okay? And you mix them up. So this can be your dipping sauce, just like this. Okay, the 4 minutes up. So I'll remove the cover. And you can see you got some more water in here. So just let it go. The key to this is that you're making the things stick together. They call it honey. Okay? So what I do is just pour on some sesame oil over it. Smell them. This is a trick. Okay? Find a plate. I'll use a plate like this, but then I'll turn it over just like this. There you go. Look at that. Huh? This is how you want it. It's like a honey, right? It's all sticky together, right? Nicely fried and crispy on the bottom. Very crispy on the bottom and very soft on the top. There you go. Grab my gyoza just like this. Dip it in my sauce. Mmm. Oh. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Perfect crispy, perfect texture, and perfect taste. We'll see you next week on the Man and the Pan. Aloha!